Tool Time Thursdays, brought to you by the letter S for Stephen Mims. All right, so let's get into it. So right here, what I have is a new Snap-on. They're new Snap-on ratchet, but these are the speed ratchets, kind of like back in the day. They had these. You'll see like a lot of old school builders, engine builders, and stuff like that have a. It does not have a ratchet in head. It's just a regular head that you put a socket on, like a 3/8, or this one's a 1/4 inch, and it just allows you to unbolt bolts a lot faster. Time is money. So this is the new Snap-on, part number FSLF80 is for the 3/8. Really good quality, sturdy, pretty strong. And then this is the 1/4 inch drive one, so I got both. And then this part number is, I think that's an I. What do you guys think? Oh no, it's a T. TSLF72. Maybe that means 72 teeth, and this means 80 tooth. So yeah, so this is the new ones from Snap-on. I don't remember the price, so don't quote me. If anything, I'm gonna put a link, not a link, but I'm gonna put description of it in the video description below. But I have lots of ratchets, but I don't have any speed ratchets like this one. So pretty much you just put the bolt on it and this spins, so it makes it a lot easier how to take off or put on bolts until you need to tighten them down, and it still tighten them. And it also gives you a little bit of clearance with this curve right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up and show you how they work. I'm gonna use this one. I have a bolt on the car that I'm gonna take off and show you how fast it is. Some people, it doesn't matter, they'll just use a standard ratchet, but I like these and I like new tools. So I believe these are new, with the flexible head ratchets. Oh, almost lost one there. Try to jump off the ship. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up and show you guys how it's done. So all right, guys, so here I have a bolt. This goes to the cover for my filter on the Hellcat. As you can see, a portion, this is all, see, it's all reflective, so that's pretty cool. But what we're here for is to show you guys how it's done with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. So usually, you break it loose, and you gotta do like this with a traditional ratchet like that. So with this one, you just flip it up like this, and then what you do, you just do, and that's that much faster. Especially if you're doing a lot of bolts or you're building a lot of stuff. As I said, time is money, so I'm tightening it back up, and just that fast, it's tightened, and then that's it. So to some, this may not seem important, but to me, I really like it, and I think it's a very useful tool, and it's one that you should have in your tool arsenal, especially if you work on engines, take a car parts, and just sometimes it's just the little things sometimes that make the job that much easier and that much faster, better. So I'm going to show you guys again. I'm going to take it back off, put it on here, break it loose, hold it right here. I'm going to just do it just because it's the camera angle so you guys can see. And just like that, it's all the way out. I'm gonna put it back on. Just like that, it's back tightened. So these are the Snap-on. This is the 1/4 inch, and I said there's 3/8. I'm not sure if they make this in the 1/2 inch. I wouldn't see the reason to make this in a 1/2 inch, but the 1/4 and the 3/8 come in really handy and really smooth. So there it is, another Tool Time Thursday. Thank you guys for checking out the channel. If this is your first time or not even your first time coming to the channel, please tap that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon, ding for future upload. Like, share, subscribe. And I said, thanks for watching it. This is the first Tool Time Thursday of the year, and I'm going to keep them going. If I miss a Thursday, you guys make sure you guys keep me accountable. If there's any tools you think that I should have that I don't already have, or if any tool suggestions, just comment down below and let me know of any tools that I should be looking at, or any tools I should get, or any tools that you think is new. Also, coming up next, the mini build is coming to the channel. I'm still waiting on parts. I've been trying to get parts, but you know, supply chain issues. Thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for rocking with me. I appreciate the love and support. Until the next video, guys. Peace.